Whimsical Wonders, a menagerie of parental bonds in the animal kingdom. Embark on a journey through the enchanting realms of the animal kingdom with Whimsical Wonders. This endearing compilation unveils the magical relationships between parent and across various species. From the playful antics of puppies to the tender moments between majestic lions and their cubs, each entry in this list captures the universal charm and affection that defines parenthood in the wild. Join us in celebrating tapestry of life with these captivating glimpses into the world of adorable animal families. Dog, puppy, cat, kitten, horse, foal, cow, calf, pig, piglet, sheep, lamb, goat, kid, duck, duckling, chicken, chick, swan, cygnet, elephant, calf, giraffe, calf, kangaroo, joey, koala, joey, bear, cub, fox, kit, wolf, pup, deer, fawn, rabbit, kit, otter, pup, seal, pup, walrus, calf, whale, calf, dolphin, calf, penguin, chick, gorilla, infant, chimpanzee, infant, lion, cub, tiger, cub, cheetah, cub. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel.